Hello, my name is Rizik Chaudhary. I'm an MBA first year student at IIM Nagpur. I've done my engineering from Chandigarh University and I've worked with Cognizant for around 22 years. To start with GDPI, I took help from two institutes for the mock interviews. And in the starting, I scanned my entire CV to understand what all things I have done in the entire career. And I started with the latest, like I was a big data developer at Cognizant, so I understood the nitty-gritties of the big data and what is the current happening in that field. And prior to that, I've been a computer science engineer, so to understand the basics around like 4 or 5 basic subjects of computer science, so I was well versed with those subjects. And also the place from where I belong and all the places where I have been. So to understand the basic things about those places and to current happenings about those places. So that was the focus. Very important question for this entire journey was the why MBA question. I think to prepare this, you have to be very clear in your head, like how MBA fits in your profile and how it fits well with your long-term and short-term goals. If you are clear in your head like about these questions, then I think you can nail this question in any interview. Sometimes you may be confronted to a stress interview. To tackle a stress interview, first of all, you have to understand not to think about the answers or the right answers while answering the questions. You have to just approach the questions one by one and not to get bogged down by the pressure that you feel during that time. Because if you get too much skeptical about the results or about your answers, then you can be lost in an interview. And also, you might feel that you haven't answered the questions rightly, but the interviewer might be just taking the approach towards the pressure situation. So just be calm and tackle the question one by one. All the best for your interviews and hope to see you at IIM Nagpur.